Hi friends, today we are going to make a basket using coconut oil can. Let's start. This is a big size coconut oil bottle. First you have to remove the skin of tape, then make the bottle in two pieces. I am going to take a below part for this project. After cutting the bottle, you need to make a handle for the basket. So I am making a handle like this. You need to increase the length of basket, so I am going to take little more part of this basket. This plastic is little hard, so you need a sharp scissor. After cutting the basket, I am going to take some sponge sheets. If it is available, then you can use, otherwise you can avoid this part. Take a glue and stick the foam sheet or sponge around the handle. Both the handles covered with sponge. Now I am going to take little more sponge sheets and cover the side of the basket. I took only one side of this because I didn't have more sponge. After this, you have to stick the cloth. Cut the cloth in a square shape and keep it below the basket. It is easy for you to make a size. Now, after cutting, stick it around the basket. Take the extra cloths and stick it. There is no need to take the measurement. Okay, now the cloth is fixed with the basket. Now take the above extra part of cloth. Once stuck, the extra part of cloth should be removed. Now I took some strips of cloth. I made 4 pieces and stick You need to cover the edges of the basket. Like this, you have to cover all the sides. Now we will roll the cloth with the hands. I have taken here banyan material cloth. It is easily stick with the plastic or any hard material. Now we are going to make a cover inside basket. Here you can either sew or you can stick with glue. It's ready now. Now you have to turn the cloth and keep it inside the basket. Before keeping, put some glue on it and stick it inside the basket. Now join the top part. Now inside part The basket also ready. Now we will make some more design to make this basket attractive. So take some of the cloth pieces and give it petal shape and stick on the basket. Water cloth I have used here is all old materials, but it is not much spoiled. Stick all the petals around the basket. Now on these petals cut some more pieces of cloth and stick on it. Now we will give little more design. I am covering here the joining parts so that it should not look outside. I took some strips of old t-shirts . Beautiful basket is ready now. Nobody can say that it is made out of waste. Try it at home by using old oil bottles, cans. Thank you for watching.